Okay, so I am patiently waiting to dry my hair right now, but someone else has taken the hairdryer from me. And when do I get to use the hairdryer?
Oh, it's all yours.
Hi, I'm Kat Quinn. I'm the beauty director at Refinery29, and I'm so excited to get my best, healthiest, shiniest hair ever using the Dyson Supersonic for my wedding in just 2 months. Alongside this challenge, we are going to have a really busy month. I will be trying on veils, I will be finalizing what my hair looks like at my wedding, I will be going to all of the workout classes, so you'll probably see me sweat a lot. Bring on the Supersonic, I am so ready to get started. Okay, this is my first time using the Dyson dryer. I am so excited. When my hair looks good, I feel like I can take on the world. My hair is so long and thick that drying it is actually a huge chore. So one of the things I'm most looking forward to about this challenge is making drying it actually something I enjoy. I have the nozzle on because I want to really control any frizz or anything and just do an easy, quick, smooth blowout because I'm about to go out with some friends. Hopefully it'll be faster, it'll be easier, I won't have to deal with as much frizz because it's more efficient, and I can cut down on the heat styling tools that I use on my hair that put it under a lot of stress. I can already tell that this is drying my hair so much faster. And we are done. Ready to go. Hey guys, it's Kat. I am here for my workout. I try my hardest to keep my hair as healthy as possible, but I'm constantly throwing my hair up into tight ponytails and tight buns. I'm working out and I'm getting sweat and rubbing my hair on the mat, and you know, you do the best that you can, but sometimes life gets in the way. The biggest thing I learned in all of this is to not let my hair keep me from working out. When your hair is long, you don't always want to jump in the shower, wash it, blow dry it, and head out the door. But I have found that the dryer is so much easier to use than other dryers. My hands and my arms get less tired because it's lighter. I did my hair in like 20-30 minutes with the Dyson. I feel like it's way less frizzy than it usually is. I didn't have to use an iron. So it is date night. We are walking through a winery. It's nice to have a little bit of break from the wedding planning, right babe?
Mm-hmm.
Love you.
Love you too.
How's my hair?
Beautiful.
Yours too. Okay, so we have a really busy 2 weeks coming up to finish out the remainder of this challenge. Hey guys, it is my bridal shower day. I've got my under eye mask on because, you know, I need all the help I can get. What I learned is that when my hair looked good, I really had so much confidence. I just walked into that room with my head held high, and it really just gave me kind of that ease that I needed. I feel like the challenge ended up being a really great gift to me in this time. It was a busy time, but it was a lot of fun. We're so excited to celebrate all of our best friends. Probably the biggest thing that I learned in this challenge is that self-care is so important. I actually feel like so much more zen now than I did at the beginning of this challenge. I was pretty stressed out. I was looking at this month of all these things I had to get done. I just saw lists and checklists and all these deadlines and things that I had to do, and I sort of forgot myself in the equation, and this helped me remember that like this is a big moment for me, that I should be enjoying this and connecting with myself and really treasuring this time and not feeling like I have to like run, get it all done, and I don't have time for me to take a step back and to really invest that time back in myself. That is a wrap on our Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer Challenge. I have had so much fun vlogging. Thank you for following along on my journey, and I will see you all after my honeymoon.